Imagine a bustling ancient city where a wise clockmaker named Lion built the first mechanical clock. Lion noticed the sun and moon moved in perfect patterns, inspiring him to create a device that could measure time with gears and levers. As the townspeople gathered, Lion explained, "Each gear in my clock must fit perfectly. Just like the days and nights follow a precise sequence. If one gear is too large or small, the whole clock stops." This was mechanical engineering, designing parts that work together in harmony. Lion also used math to count the ticks. Every 60 seconds made a minute, every 60 minutes, an hour. These repeating numbers are called patterns, and you can find them everywhere, from flower petals to the rhythm of your heartbeat. Challenge time. Look around and spot a repeating pattern, like tiles on your floor or the days in a week. Can you design your own clock using things at home? Share your ideas in the comments. To understand the subtle codes of the universe, where ancient wisdom meets modern science and STEM unlocks the mysteries of the world, subscribe to Rose Gaia and tap the bell to empower every child with transcendental thinking.